Hi, my name is Rob Raskus, and this will be my explanation video to get started. So I want to go to config, routes, and I'm going to create a route, video, game, new, and the action is going to be video, game, hashtag, new, and we're going to name it new video game with the sleep. I'm going to go to the controller app, video controller, and we are going to add a new and render new. So for the view template, and so that game is going to be a reference to an empty video game object. So it will basically create an object with all its attributes being null. And now we're going to create the view. new.html.arb, and we're going to have the header be create new video game, and we are going to use the Bootstrap form helper. And I'm going to tell it that we're going to use a model. And what model is that? Is the game model that we said. So basically the null object model. That's not what we're going to be using. URL. It's video game path. With the method post and local instruct. Okay, so the video game's path URL specifies that when the form is submitted, the HTTP should be sent to the same resource path as the index route. So this one right here, that's the index route. And then we want a post method to specify that when the form is submitted, the HTTP post request should be sent. And the local true argument specifies the JavaScript-based technology should not be used to submit the form field data. So, and then we do, and the block text. And okay, so I'm going to go ahead and get our attributes. I thought we need a text field for our title. And then we need one for the year, publisher, genre, and submit. Okay, this would be the publisher, also needs a text field, and genre. And the submit is going to be submit, so that'll be the submit button. And for the year, I'm gonna do select year, and we're gonna do time dot sound dot now dot year. So basically 2021 minus, let's see, I'm gonna get it to go to the 1800s, so I'm using 219. Will be 219. No, maybe 221. Dot. So it's gonna go from the 1800s all the way to time dot sound dot now dot year, so all the way to 2021. And save. Now we need to add a link to our index page. So link to this one. Now we're gonna get new video game test. Save. And now we did a post method, so I'm gonna call the post method video game. And the action's gonna be video games create. And I'm gonna get create, because new doesn't save the information, create will. So we're gonna say at game equals video game model dot new params. So params is a method to access all the data from the HTTP request to be handled by the controller action. Dot require and then all our attributes, which is title, year, publisher, and genre. Okay, so the params has a top level key, and that key is video game. So basically, if it has the key video game, it will go. So it's basically just a security thing. And so basically, the require this, and you're just specifying that this is the key, and it helps to secure the applicant's malicious data. So if the hash must have the top level key, which is the video game, if the hash does have such key, video game, the method returns the value to which the key maps. If the hash does not have the video game key, the method returns false. And then the permit with the attributes that is applied to the hash returned by the required video game similarly serves as a security purpose. And we're going to go ahead and save it. And we're going to need an else. And cancel flash success. So if it's successful, we're gonna say something like new video game was successfully created. And then we want it to redirect to video game URL. And if the flash has an error, we're gonna say something like video game failed to be created. Render new. Okay, now let's save and test. Looks like so. New create form video game object. We did that. Make the text video game Ableton. Okay, so let's try to get the fail error. News. I have to rerun it. Okay. So video game failed to be created. Now let's create one. Say Mario Maker 2. And here it's all the way from the 1800s all the way to 2021. So say it was made in 2018. The pleasure was Arthur and an instant action. So a new video game was successfully created, and here it is. Currently we have 2 Mario Makers. Since I did have to redo the video, this was from the last video I made. It just didn't get saved. Okay, now to put the destroy. So we are going to go ahead and go to routes, to delete video games ID to video games destroy. And this one doesn't have an S because it has the show, so it would just go to the use this route. But since we don't have a show, we're not gonna make a show, we're just gonna make the S and name it video game. Video game. Okay. Save. Now adding the link. And next here we got delete. So we're gonna add equals link to delete video game path G and G because right here. G method delete and control save. Now we want to go ahead and do a destroy. So at game video game model dot find RAM ID. And we're going to go ahead. So basically it gets that object and it will destroy it. And then we're gonna want that. We're gonna say the video game was successfully destroyed, and redirect. So after it destroys it, we wanted it to go back to index page. So video games URL, and should work. Okay, so let's say we are to delete Pitiful. The video game was successfully destroyed. And there we go. That's how you do that. And that is the end of my explanation video. Thank you.